Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cocoa powders available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something to elevate your baking, whip up a decadent cup of hot cocoa, or even boost your heart health, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Amazon Fresh Unsweetened Cocoa Powder. This option is all about no-frills simplicity. It comes in a pack of 3 8-ounce containers, giving you a total of 24 ounces of cocoa powder, which is perfect for those who want to stock up on pantry essentials. The powder is described as natural and unsweetened, making it a versatile choice for all kinds of recipes, from baked goods to beverages. In terms of design, the packaging is straightforward and functional. While there's not much emphasis on organic certifications or fair trade practices, this cocoa powder delivers what it promises, a chocolatey flavor suitable for various applications. However, the lack of detailed sourcing information might be a drawback for more sustainability-conscious buyers. Performance-wise, the Amazon Fresh Cocoa Powder is decent. It blends well in hot liquids and adds a pleasant, albeit slightly mild chocolate flavor to baked goods. However, it doesn't have the rich depth or the premium feel of some competitors on this list. The biggest advantage here is the value. If you're looking for a budget-friendly bulk option for everyday use, this is a solid pick. Pros include affordability and convenience, while cons include the lack of certifications and a less intense flavor profile. Coming in at number 4 is the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Cocoa Powder. This unsweetened cocoa powder is made from fair trade cocoa beans and is certified organic, non-GMO, and vegan. It's an excellent option for those who prioritize ethical sourcing and natural ingredients. With its rich chocolate flavor, it's ideal for baking, making hot cocoa, or adding a chocolatey boost to smoothies. The design and packaging are clean and minimal, reflecting the Whole Foods Market brand aesthetic. At 8 ounces, it's not the largest container, but it's a manageable size for those who use cocoa powder occasionally. The Fair Trade certification adds a layer of trust, ensuring that the product supports sustainable farming practices and fair wages for farmers. In terms of performance, it delivers a bold, slightly bitter chocolate flavor that works well in recipes requiring a robust cocoa taste. It's non-alkalized, which means it retains more of the natural acidity and antioxidants of the cocoa bean. However, the smaller size and mid-range price point might not make it the best choice for high-volume bakers. Pros include its strong flavor and ethical certifications, while the cons are its smaller size and slightly higher cost compared to other options. At number 3, we have the NutriCost Pantry Organic Cocoa Powder. This is a fantastic pick for anyone who wants a generous quantity of high-quality cocoa powder. Each bottle contains 1.5 pounds of unsweetened cocoa powder, making it an excellent choice for avid bakers or those who frequently use cocoa in their recipes. It's certified organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan, ticking all the boxes for a clean and health-conscious product. The design is simple but efficient, with a large bottle that's easy to store and use. NutriCost emphasizes quality assurance, as the product is independently tested for purity and complies with good manufacturing practice, GMP standards. This attention to detail ensures that you're getting a product that's both safe and reliable. In terms of flavor, NutriCost offers a deep, rich chocolate taste that enhances everything from brownies to smoothies. It dissolves well in liquids, making it a versatile choice for all kinds of recipes. The value for money is exceptional given the quantity and quality. However, the large container might be a bit overkill for casual users or those with limited pantry space. Pros include its affordability for the volume and its clean, high-quality ingredients, while the cons are its bulky packaging and the potential for over-purchasing if you don't use cocoa powder often. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Navitas Organics Cacao Powder. This product stands out as the first regenerative, organic certified cacao powder on the market, reflecting its commitment to sustainability and ethical sourcing. Made from raw, organic cacao beans that are fermented, dried, and gently roasted, It's packed with antioxidants, flavonols, and essential minerals. It's also fair trade certified, non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free, making it ideal for health-conscious consumers. The packaging is convenient, with an 8-ounce resealable bag that keeps the powder fresh. Navitas Organics is known for its premium quality, and this product is no exception. The rich, dark chocolate flavor is perfect for everything from hot cocoa to smoothies, and it can be used as a one-to-one substitute for regular cocoa powder in recipes. In terms of performance, this powder excels. It's non-alkalized, which means it retains the natural acidity and nutrients of raw cacao. This makes it a bit more bitter than some other options, but the robust flavor is well worth it. The only real downside is the price. It's on the higher end for an 8-ounce bag. Pros include its exceptional quality, ethical certifications, and health benefits, while the cons are the smaller size and premium price tag. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the CocoVia Cardio Health Cocoa Powder. This product is in a league of its own, offering a whopping 500 milligrams of cocoa flavonols per serving. Backed by over 20 years of scientific research and more than 30 clinical studies, it's designed to support heart health, improve circulation, and boost nitric oxide levels. If you're looking for a functional cocoa powder that goes beyond flavor, this is the one to beat. The design is sleek and professional, with a 6.8-ounce container that provides 30 servings. Despite the smaller size, its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and NSF certified for sport, making it a trusted choice for athletes and health enthusiasts alike. In terms of performance, CocoVia delivers not just on flavor, but also on health benefits. The rich, dark chocolate taste is perfect for mixing into coffee, smoothies, or oatmeal. It's also an excellent pre-workout supplement, thanks to its ability to enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery. The only downside is the price. It's a premium product for a niche audience. Pros include its scientifically backed health benefits and premium taste, while the cons are its higher cost and smaller size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay chocolatey.